Have you ever felt let down by someone you thought was a friend? Or maybe you've been surprised by the support of someone you considered an enemy. Today, we're diving into a powerful lesson. Never put too much trust in friends and learn how to use enemies to your advantage. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring a topic that's not just about friendships, but about understanding human nature. Trust is a tricky thing, especially when it comes to friends. We often think they have our backs, but sometimes it's the unexpected sources that can propel us forward. So why is this important? Because knowing who to trust and how to leverage relationships can change the game in your personal and professional life. But before we dive deeper, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been surprised by a friend's betrayal or found unexpected support from someone you thought was an enemy? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other's experiences. The fragility of friendship. First, let's talk about friendship. We all cherish our friends, but it's crucial to remember that not everyone has our best interests at heart. Sometimes friends can become envious or competitive, leading to betrayal. It's a hard truth, but it's essential to be aware of it. Trust is built over time, and it's okay to be cautious. The power of enemies. Now, let's flip the script. Enemies can actually be a source of motivation and growth. Think about it. They challenge you, push you to improve, and can even provide valuable insights. Instead of viewing them as obstacles, consider how you can use their criticism to fuel your ambition. Remember, every great success story has a few naysayers behind it. Strategies for navigating relationships. So, how do we navigate these complex relationships? Here are 3 quick strategies. Set boundaries. Be clear about what you share with friends. Protect your vulnerabilities. Learn from criticism. Use feedback from enemies to identify areas for growth. It's not personal, it's a chance to improve. Build a diverse network. Surround yourself with a mix of friends and acquaintances. This way you can gain different perspectives and support. In the end, remember that trust is a valuable currency. Use it wisely. Friends can uplift you, but don't overlook the lessons that can come from your enemies. Embrace the challenges, learn from every relationship, and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more insights. Until next time, stay strong and keep thriving.